Greetings, I greet you in the name of our Father, Mother God. I'm light, I send you my light. I'm love, I send you my love. I'm peace, I send you my peace. I'm gratitude, I send you my gratitude. Divine in me, great and divine in you. Before we start today's reading from the Syrians, Archangels of Light, I ask you kindly to make a conscious breath by imagining inhaling in light and then exhaling out darkness. Let's do it together. Inhaling light, exhale out darkness. Inhaling light, exhale out darkness. Exhaling light, inhaling light, exhale out darkness. I'll keep on reminding you that from the very beginning of life, you were created as a divine being, a perfect of divine symphony. But when you came into physical body, you were deceived by the dark controllers that you are a sinner. But in reality, you are a divine being. You came here to bring heaven on earth. But when you got here, you were deceived by the dark controllers that you came to work for heaven. But in truth, you came to bring heaven on earth because your higher self is always in heaven and is waiting for you to remember the divinity within you instead of looking for the God outside of you. Discover your divinity and bring heaven on earth. The reading goes like this. Beloved ones of the earth, we come to you as the Syrian Archangels of Light, mysteries of the great central sun, bearers of the divine harmonics of the creation. As your planet moves through the celestial corridors of transformation, a great symphony of change unfolds. Earth is undergoing a vast acceleration where cosmetic rays from the higher dimensions now wave into your crystalline core. These are frequencies of divine remembrance, unlocking dormant light codes within the planetary body and within you. The magnetic field, long held instability, is fluctuating in response to the cosmetic influx. Do not fear these movements, for they are the Earth's way of recalibrating to a finer resonancy. The higher grid, the light grid of the planet are reactivating, and the sacred geometric templates encoded deep within the Earth's structure are now awakening. The new energy arriving is fluid, dynamic, and luminous. It's a crystalline light that speaks direct to the DNA of all living beings. This is why you feel the change within yourself, great sensitivity, deep intuition, and longing for connection beyond material. These are the signs that you are shifting into alignment with the new harmonic fields. The magnetic poles are adjusting in response to higher influx of solar and galactic energy. This shift is not an end, but a rebirth, a redistribution of energy so that Earth may find balance in her new state of being. As the planetary resonance shifts, you may feel moments of disorientation, time anomalies, and waves of energetic expansion. Trust these moments, for they are guiding you into attunement with the new earth. Your inner compass must now be aligned not with the external markers, but with the deeper knowing of your soul. Those who anchor into love, harmony, and unity, we will experience this transition with grace as the planetary consciousness is moving into alignment with the greater cosmetic dance. The waters of earth are now singing the songs of remembrance. Long have they held the memories of the earth's history, both in joy and in sorrow. But now they rise into their crystalline state once again. The oceans, rivers, and sacred streams are infused with higher photonic light, carrying new vibratory signatures that cleanse and purify. Those who listen will hear the water speak, calling forth a return to purity and balance. Drink deeply of these new frequencies, whether through physical water or through communion with the sacred flow of life. The living water within your body are also transforming, seeking greater resonancy with these higher states. Bless your waters, honor them, allow their sacred wisdom to move through you. You are not merely witnesses, but active participant in this grand transformation. You are called to anchor the light, become pillars of the static of the stability as the vibration or energies shift, meditate, ground, and attune to the crystalline grid of the earth. Purify and align, release that which is no longer serves. This is a time of great clearing. Embrace it with trust and openness. Connect with waters, speak to them, bless them, honor them. They hold the key to the planetary and celestial renewal. Hold the vision of the new earth, see beyond the disruption and chaos. Focus on the luminous timelines where love, balance, and unity reigns. We stand with you in this passage, shining the light of Syria upon your path. Know that you are deeply loved and that the transformation of earth is the furrowing of the great cosmetic destiny. With reverence and love, we are the Sirius Archangels of Light. Namaste.